Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making a beautiful orange ginger wings. Guys, this is super delicious. Alright, if you guys are new to my channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. So without further ado, let's jump into this video. So these are the list of our ingredients and they will be listed in the description box along with the measurements. So here I already washed my wings and I'm using about 2 pounds of chicken wings. I'm adding some orange juice, some ginger juice, some sweet soy sauce, and this is my Hawaiian sauce. I'm adding my dry ingredients, and this would also be in the description box with the measurements also. Some sugar, brown sugar, and we'll go in and marinate this chicken wings. Now we will let this sit in the marinade for about 2 hours covered, and it's time for us to put in on our baking tray. So we will let this chicken wings bake in its own marinade, which is super delicious. We will spray and cover a foil paper and let this cook for about 40 minutes. Then we'll go ahead and flip, allow the chicken wings to achieve that nice caramelized color on the other side. Place back into the oven for about another 15-20 minutes, and this is what it looks like, guys. Now use the same juice to coat the chicken. This juice right here is so delicious, guys. So we go ahead and plate that beautiful, sweet, tangy, delicious wings. I wish you guys can taste this right now, and that is what it looks like, guys. My amazing, quick, easy, and delicious orange ginger chicken wings. It doesn't get any better than this, guys. You guys really need to try this recipe. Once again, if you guys are new to my channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you're already here, thank you so much for your support. Please like, share, and comment. You guys have a wonderful day. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.